Welcome to the Tangled Puppet. Hi, chosen ones. How are you? I hope you've been doing wonderful. There's a lot energetically been going on in all kinds of people's lives. There's people who have put you chosen ones down, who try to make you feel less than thou. But they don't realize that that's the reason why you're a chosen one. It's because when one thought you were weak, you were way stronger, and they thought they needed to belittle you in order to make themselves seem grander than what they were or are. So, chosen ones, hold your heads up, because when we get on our paths, the dark side will always send another trial your way. So just keep moving, beautiful butterflies. Angels and ancestors of the highest, widest light, we ask that you come in and that you guide and protect all of your chosen ones, and that you keep them cloaked beautifully in your love and your light, and any energy that is not of theirs, send it back to where it came from, as well as return theirs back to them into the most beautifulest, truest form that you would have of them. Help me to give this message clear and precise as you would have it. In your name we pray. As above, so below. As within, so without. Let's give this reading to them without a doubt. So, let's go on ahead and get one more card out here. One more, Holy Father. Two more, he says. So we have Judgment. With Higher Self, we have New Life, Divine Mother, Imagination, Inner Child, Life Force with Aphrodite. 46, 48, 7, and 45. We have a pattern here, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But let's get more details here. But I'm picking up on a life and energy that has always held their self under a magnifying glass, allowing for their inner child to feel observed. It's the only word I can think of. It's very observed. So let's get down to this. And because they're highly observed, it's left this person's inner child to feel confused sometimes. We're going to go on ahead and send some clearing. Apparently my music thinks I was clearing it out too. No clue what is going on with that. Angels, ancestors, show me what is under this judgment of this higher self, or who is under judgment of the higher self. This person feels like they make a lot of failures or have failed a lot in their life, but they're now understanding that every failure or fracture was just an opportunity to learn, not a mistake. This could have something to do with one's health as well. Show me about the imagination of the inner child. Acceptance. This inner child, this child just wants to be accepted. They may like the color purple. They no longer want to control this situation, but they want others to know that they do want to change the things that they can control, and that's their own failures, where they lack. This person is emotional. Show me about this new life with this divine mother who has a child on this picture. Mothers, this could be about your children. This new life with this divine mother is giving them pride. And they also are learning to love themselves and see themselves in everyone, which is allowing, with the confirmation, allowing them to share love with everyone. Yeah, and have success. Where all of this confusion, yeah, success and friendships, as we sit here, I will be sending Reiki to this child and this situation for their self-esteem, for them to realize that everything they see as a flaw about them is just another beautiful fracture of them. And just because someone doesn't understand the way that this beautiful diamond was designed, or the way that it was laid out, or every obstacle it went through, and that's why it's shaped this way emotionally and physically, doesn't mean it's still not the brightest, purplest diamond in the box. This beautiful sapphire. This beautiful sapphire is going to reach happiness soon. It's going to have the friends that it wants and the time that it wants. Someone in the background's working really hard for this. I am aware that being happy means I am on the right path. Someone in the background is helping this person mentally get on the right path. As I scry into this situation, I see a child looking through the window at birds. This feminine energy likes to watch the birds. They make her laugh. She's sad when they fly. She feels alone. She has a very big dragon that protects her. He's purple as well. He's funny looking. He protects her crown. It says he's been there since she was born. He said, I've been sent to watch her for lots of lifetimes. Excuse me as I clean up the emotions of channeling. Sometimes they happen. So, Mr. Dragon. He's kind of like Elliot the Dragon, he says. Like a gift of the dragon heart. We take you to another land as long as you're pure of heart. This could be this child's imaginary friend or something. He says, no, I'm her guardian. Okay, so this is her guardian, and he keeps this child's imagination flowing and going and going. He says her brain goes a lot. So, mothers and fathers, let's teach our children how to feel more accepted and not observed, is what I'm channeling out of this Judgment card. Before judging, ask questions. Why? How? I'm sorry I made you feel like that. Is there anything I can help do to change your emotions that you're feeling at this time? Develop a friendship with a mother and fathership. One of trust, bonds. Allow them to heal their inner child while they're a child. As you heal, I'm being guided by the ancestors to make sure that everyone realizes when we do something in this life, it affects 7 generations before us and 7 generations after us. It's epigenetics. It's facts proven. They've done lots of studies of it. But either way, so when one of us heals, we heal 7 forward, 7 back. So mothers and fathers, let's break these generational curses and continue to heal in our families. As above, so below. I am going to break generational curses. I am building a legacy. I am a legend. I will be remembered. Any last messages? I am a survivor. These are all things you should tell yourself. What we say is so powerful that you would hate to provide a trap for yourself with your mouth. So instead of providing a trap for ourselves, let's provide a wish fulfillment for all of humanity. Be kinder to ourselves than others. This is going to allow growth, okay? Some people may have anxiety about this message. Is this not the action I normally take? I was guided. It's just, yeah, this is part of my journey. But this person, this child is on an inner journey, and they're realizing that they are the light. They have the light in their lantern, followed by rainbow dust that always lights up their paths. Yeah, they're also protected by our Archangel Uriel. But the crown chakra, the 7th chakra, is going to be healed on this child. The angels and the ancestors are going in, and they're bringing changes. Archangel Michael is blocking the things that this child doesn't need to see or know, and protecting them from anything that would dare cross this healing that's been done and being done. This could have something there. This child's parents could be 35 or 41. Or it could have something to do when they were 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or maybe this is a path. Archangel Michael, like I said, is protecting this child from all hostile environments. And the goddess of the moon, this child is the goddess of the moon. She has lots of wisdom, like the dragon says. This Elliot purple dragon that's someone's imaginary friend. Maybe his name is not Elliot, but he kind of looks like that. He says he's been with this girl. He says she's an old, mighty old soul, she is. Yeah, she's very powerful. She has lots of strength. With the magician and the mirror and the world, this child knows the powers that she holds in her hands can affect the world. Look at this person standing there staring at the world, knowing that their mind may not work like others, but it controls something to do with the planets. This person, when they get upset, sends out a distress signal to their home planet. So they are not of this world, they are in this world. Right, that's the detail I had missed, yeah. So they are unlike anyone else because they are not like anyone else. This is a galactic being that's been placed in a human vessel to help our humanity. Yeah. This person is walking away from their fears. Yeah, so that they can be happy in life and have a happy family and be happy in general. And they will have victory because they took action to bring balance to their mind. Because the door to value, they realize their value. This child is very important and has a big, you hear that, a victorious and big mission on this planet. Yeah, they have a contract written in the stars, and what's been written is that this person will always have the door open for their personal happiness and healing. Yeah, matter of fact, they'll always have the cornucopia of it and abundance of it. This child could even be a twin flame with the 11 coming out with the man and the woman holding a heart here. This could be a child of, this is a set of twin flames children. I'm hearing child, I guess, is what I'm hearing. Yes, so this is a very, yeah, imagine that with a yin yang right next. So that makes this child very, very strong. This feminine energy will always hold a coin. They will always be full of love. Strength, have romance in their life, appreciation, spirits always open. And just look once, and then here we come up with a thinking man and woman. This child's mind is being balanced in the way that it thinks. That's why the thinking man and woman is here, and it has to do with the crown chakra with the purple anyways. They have brought balance to this mind because Here's the thing, if there was ever anything that was wrong with it, as a child, as it develops and it heals, I'm just seeing this mind be crowned. The dots, they're all finally connecting, they're all finally firing, and this child is developing and balancing very nicely. Have a good night.